Hello guys, I'm Lakshita Bajaj from TemptingNails. I'm a nail technician and I'm an artist too, so I always try to do something new, creative and something unique. I guess you have seen my old videos on YouTube. Well, welcome to my first tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you I'm doing marble nails with 3 easy techniques. Guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get latest notification. So watch my video till the end, share my video and share your views in a comment section. That's it. Let's start. So these are the brushes and a permanent marker, and I have already painted these 3 nails white, and this one is 91% rubbing alcohol. And so I'll draw this on nail. I'm drawing these random lines. It doesn't have to be straight, it should be like roots, then dip it into brush and rubbing alcohol and start rubbing those lines with very light pressure like this. Like this. And again I have deepened my brush and deepened it, and now I'm rubbing it on permanent marker, and it seems very light. So I will repeat the procedure once again. These are very light lines, so I'm drawing it again like this. Yeah. Yes. Keep going with alcohol. Repeat the steps till you don't get the marble texture. This, and the result is coming out, and it's looking pretty. So I'm applying some glitter gel polish with doodling brush for some glittery effect, and trust me, you will love it. It looks fab. Don't use silver glitter. And I'm applying it on side portions too for glittery effect. As I have said this before. Yeah, I'm spreading it all over the nail, and I will soak it for 120 seconds, and I will apply top coat in the last. And so in the next technique I'm using top coat. I have already applied the first top layer and soaked it. Now again I'm applying top coat for better finish, and it's wet now. And I'm drawing black random lines using black gel polish over it, and it will spread by itself. I'm repeating again, it will spread by itself. Don't spread it with a brush. Like this, just like roots. Line should not be straight. It should be like roots. Like this. Wow. What a texture I got. It is still wet, and if you want, so you can soak it first, then apply golden glitter polish, but I am applying it on wet surface very slowly, and I'll soak it for 120 seconds. It's already looking very pretty. I personally love this marble effect. Highlighting it with black polish very lightly. It's looking pretty. I'll soak it in 120 seconds in UV light. Yeah. And in this third technique, I didn't apply top coat, and now I'm applying second layer of white gel polish, and it is wet. I will not soak it in UV lamp. So by using the same procedure we did in second technique, we will draw black and random lines. It should be like root, not so straight and all. I'm repeating it again and again. And now I'm taking this detailing brush and dipped it in white polish, and after drawing these lines, here my brush is, so this is, I'm taking this detailing brush and dipped it in white gel polish, and I'll lightly dab it on the lines. Just dab dab dab. Just dab dab dab. And at last I'll highlight it with glitter polish, but yet I'll highlight it with black gel polish too. Yeah, it is looking very pretty. Yeah, you can see the result has been come out. This is looking so pretty. And now I'll apply some glitter polish, as I told you before, for some glittery effect, and it is still wet, it is not dried. I'm applying this glitter polish in wet base. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, and I have soaked them all, and now I'm applying top coat on 3 of the nails. So here is the finished product. You can see which one is looking good, which one did you like, which one is easy to make. Must share your views in a comment section. I'll be back with another video. Till then, stay home, stay